Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. I'm in a really good mood today. You ever had one of those days when you woke up with a creative idea in your head? Well, that happened to me today. So remember, I was thinking of doing the black Tilly and the Buttons Cleo dungaree dress with that buffalo check top. Scratch that. There's a new idea in town, and I prefer this one a whole lot better. I don't know if it's because I just did color blocking with these skirts and I just wore neon. It's about to be another color blocked neon look. Stay tuned. First of all, I need to finish my Bondi dress. This happens to me all the time. When I've almost finished a project, something else pops into my brain and then I don't feel like finishing the project I'm working on anymore because I just want to get into the new one. But I don't have much to do anyway. I have to do neck binding, arm binding, and facings, and then this dress is complete. But I have a new project in mind for the Cleo dungarees. Let's see if you can guess which fabrics I'm about to pull from my stash. Oh yeah. Right now I'm kind of addicted to animal print, not gonna lie. So this is a Snakeprint stretch cotton sateen. Why can't I find the opening of the fabric? I do not know. Come on. Okay, here we go. So once again, just like the last one, this is supposed to be a border print. It goes from lighter at the top and darker to the bottom. However, I'm sure you can already see where the selvage is, so you already know the stretch is going this way instead of this way. So it'll just go from light to dark somewhere across the body. I have multiple options. First of all, I have more than enough fabric than what I need to make the dungarees, which means I can either choose where I want to cut from, so I can have the entire dungarees with the dark set or the entire with the white set, well, the whiter set, or I can have it fading across the body. Whatever, it doesn't matter. I have enough fabric to kind of play around. But then I was racking my brain trying to figure out what top would go with this other than black. What is that? 1 yard of neon scuba. The color is not showing up true to color on camera. It's a neon green type of color, very similar to the sweater that I was wearing. Let me see if I can turn on some lights so you guys can see the actual color of this fabric. Oh my lord, now it's looking even yellower. Let's take it over to the ironing board instead then. It's still looking yellow. I mean, here it is next to the neon sweater. It is a bit yellower, but it's still neon green. Anyways, I only have 1 yard of this because I actually got this on my fabric store's sale rack. It was a remnant, so it's only 1 yard. I don't know what I could possibly do with 1 yard to make a top to go under this dungaree dress. So I'm thinking a color blocked sweatshirt with either neon black and white or just neon on black. And I'll put up some of my inspiration pictures because as soon as I woke up this morning and I realized I had this idea, I went straight on Pinterest. So I'll put up some pictures. You guys can let me know what you think. I'm not gonna get to the top just yet. I'm gonna start with the dungarees. I've been looking at the pattern instructions this morning trying to figure out my sizing. I think I'm gonna go with a size 5, although my measurements fall into a size 6, just because again my fabric has stretch. Then I need to run to one of my fabric stores later today to see if I can get the dungaree buckles. I know they had sold out some time ago and I think they've restocked. Hopefully they're not sold out again. I think I may want to do silver for this one, but to be honest, it doesn't matter. I'm going to take whatever it is I can find. So on today's agenda is finish my bond dress, print my Cleo, get my Cleo cut out, well, the pattern pieces, and then see if I have time to cut the fabric as well, which I think I should, because as far as I picked up from glancing through the pattern, I don't think there are many pattern pieces. So I should be able to get all of this done today, and then I guess tomorrow I will sew up the Cleo and then figure the top out. So yeah, you guys can shoot any ideas my way. I would really appreciate it. My Bondi dress is almost finished. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. If you're hearing a loud noise, that is my husband's truck outside because he just dropped off lunch, and it's perfect timing because I only have one last step to do, and that is to do a thread chain loop and put on my button. You're supposed to do a roller loop, but I always prefer thread chain loops. They're just neater to me. So I did a white binding on the neck. Yes, I was lazy. I did a chocolate brown binding on the arms, but you really can't see it, and also even if you do see it, it's going to blend in perfectly with my skin, so that is fine. Here is what the hemband looks like. I'm really happy with it. It's very neat. This is my under stitching, that's my edge stitching. This is a really neat dress overall. So I just need to give this a press and get my thread chain loop and button on, and I'm completely finished my Tessuti Bondi dress. Lunch today is pasta with a pesto sauce. It has in a few vegetables, and I'm a true island girl. I have a thing for mango juice. This is probably my favorite juice flavor of all time. So I'm gonna have lunch now, and then I'm gonna get my Bondi dress finished, the thread chain loop and the button, then I'll try it on for you guys and we'll see if it hides my lunch food baby. Hi everybody, I have one small confession to make. I fell asleep after lunch. I did not finish my Cleo dress. I didn't even start it. I didn't even print it. Oh my goodness, I need licks. On the bright side though, I finished my Tessuti Bondi dress and I'm wearing it for you right now.
Show them the back, show them the back.
So at the back I did a thread chain loop with a little gold button. No side boobs, see? I didn't make any adjustments to the arm, so that is great. This is exactly how I would wear it. I would style it with a long necklace. This is a little brown bag, my brown and gold sandals, which you're not showing.
Oh.
My brown and gold sandals. And it's a really easy shift dress to wear on any occasion really. And it's good for hiding a food baby. And for us women, this is probably the perfect time of the month dress. Can I get an amen? Really happy with this dress. So unfortunately, since I fell asleep, I didn't get to print my Cleo. I didn't get to go to the fabric store to get the buckles. So tonight I'm gonna print the Cleo and try to at least cut out the paper pieces, so tomorrow I could get cracking, and hopefully I find some time tomorrow to run to the fabric store to get the buckles, because I'm really excited for this snake print dungaree dress. Anyway, that is it for me for today. It is dinner time now, and I also need to make a supermarket run and then get working on the Cleo. So I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.